All right, we're having a look at the graph of f of x here on the left, and we want to ask ourselves, what are these limits over here? So let's start with the limit as x goes to negative infinity. We're just going to see what happens when we take our pencil and trace it along the graph as we send x toward negative infinity. So way over here, what y value are we approaching? Y value we seem to be approaching is positive 1. Let's do the same thing, but limit as x goes to positive infinity. So as x goes to positive infinity, now we're going to put our pencil on the graph to the very right side of the graph and see what happens as we go very far to the right. We seem to be approaching the y value of negative 4. Those two limits seem easy enough. Just see what happens to the graph as we go really far to the left or really far to the right. What y value are we approaching there? Now we have the limit as x approaches negative 2. That's an actual x value on our graph. So let's go over to negative 2 and see what's happening to the graph here. Well, obviously we see this dotted line which indicates a vertical asymptote there. Let's make sure that if there's a vertical asymptote there, that they're going to the same infinity. If we're going to a different infinity, the limit doesn't exist, or different infinity from the left is from the right, or vice versa. But in this case, it seems though from the left we're going to positive infinity, and from the right we're also going to positive infinity. So with that in mind, the answer to this is positive infinity.